Hello friends, today we are going to see classification of function. In my previous video, I have discussed definition of function, its algebraic properties, composition of function and few other things. If you have not watched my previous video, then you can find the link in the description. Today we are going to see classification of function. So mainly the function are divided into four different parts. First one is 1-1 function. It is also known as injective function. Each element in domain has distinct image in codomain. Means every unique element have their different image in codomain, then it will be injective. For example, here we take 1, 2, here we take A and B. So such relation is known as 1-1 function. This is injective, from one element, one relation. Now I have taken an example, f of x, a function from r to r plus, where function is y is equal to e raised to x. Graph of e raised to x is like this. It is like this. Let me show you properly. Its graph is like this. So how it can be said to be 1-1? The another way is to draw a horizontal line, and if it cuts only at single place, then it is called as 1-1. So if we draw a horizontal line, see, it is cutting at one point, only one point, then it is known as 1-1 function. If we take y is equal to x square, then its graph is like this. And now if we draw horizontal line, so see, it cuts at two places. So it is not 1-1. So this way we can know whether function is 1-1 or not by graphical method. Above was theoretical method, we can say. So we have to check for that. Now second function is many-one function. Many-one function means the function which is not 1-1, we can say is many-one. If, let's see definition, if two or more than two elements of domain having the same image, then it's known as 1-1. For example, f of x is a function from r to r plus f of x is equal to x square plus 4. We can take this example also. Y is equal to 4 is here. Y is equal to 0 if we draw the line and we draw the graph. Its graph is like this. And then we further draw the horizontal line. It will cut at 2 points. So it is many-one function. So such graph are many-one. This was many-one. Or otherwise, if a question is asked, we have to check many-one. So what we can do, we can check 1-1. If that function is not 1-1, then we can write that function is many-one. Here the line parallel to x-axis cut the curve at more than 1 point. If curve is like this way, then if we draw horizontal line, we can see it's cut at 3 point. So as it cut at 3 point, we can say it's many-one. It's not 1-1. Always here in such question, check the domain. If here in this function domain is from, for example, 1 to 2, so we can see it's 1 to 2, it is 1-1. But if whole is asked, then it is many-one. For 1 to 2 interval, it is 1-1. Keep this in mind. Check the domain. What is given? Now Third one is onto function. Onto function is also known as surjective function. Many times onto word is not given, so you should see surjective is given, then it means onto is asked. If f is a function from x to y, be a function if each element in the codomain y has at least one pre-image in domain x, then that is range of f is equal to codomain, then it is known as onto function. Let's see example. See here 1, 2, 3. Here it's A, B, C. So this is one relation. This is one relation. This is one relation. So it is 3 to B, 2 to C, 1 to A. So here all the elements are pre-image. All the elements are occupied. There is no image, no element left. Then it is called as onto function. When it is not called, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, it's A and B and C. So if I draw A, 1 relation, 2 relation, 3 relation. So here C is left. C is not any pre-image of any element in domain X. This is why. So C is left. C is not occupied. So it is not onto. If function is not onto, then comes the concept of into function. This is into. If there exists one or more than one element in the codomain which is not an image of an element in the domain X, is known as into function. F is a function from R to R. Y is equal to x square plus 1. So this is into function. We can draw the image. So if we see here in codomain, negative value of y are excluded, not included. In domain it is included, but in codomain it is not included. So it's means is codomain means in range it is not included. Here it's R, all number, positive, negative, 0, real number. And if here it is R, this is X, this is Y. So here only half of the value have relation. At negative R, there is no relation. So as there is no relation, it is known as into function. So I hope you understood this. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Also press the notification bell for latest video. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. You should just revise this once, you will get an idea, and if you have after that also if you are in doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will surely reply your answer. Thank you very much.